A classic Beamer which became a fan favorite and set the tone for decades to come. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1978 BMW 323i E21. The model is manufactured by KK Scale. It's in 1/18 scale and the item number is KKDC 180652. Color is gray anthracite, which is a totally new word for me. Let's dig in. The E21 is the first generation BMW 3 Series. When my friends and I were young, or as Roseanne once said, back when we were alive, we saw this car as the blueprint of what we wanted to drive when we got older. They looked cool, they sounded great, they had rear-wheel drive, and they were everywhere, which made them even more popular. The 323i is the top E21 model, and it was powered by a 2.3-liter 6-cylinder engine, producing 143 horsepower and a top speed of just under 200 kilometers per hour, or around 120 miles per hour. The paint job is good, as are the external details. I like the tiny door handles. The mirrors and windshield wipers look authentic enough. The badges and emblems are fine and don't look too cheap, which is always a good thing. The retail on one of these is around $80 US, but you can probably find it for $70 or less. I've also seen it on some websites for over $100. Here are some E21s in different colors. This is a resin model, which means there are no openings here. I would have loved to see the interior, but this is what we have at the moment. I don't know how the color will be on video, but it's pretty nice and it kinda grows on you. Fun fact about BMW, they own Mini and Rolls-Royce as well. The back window defroster is pretty accurate, I think. BMWs are mostly known for their engines and their style. They're also known for being driver's cars. Here are some of my own pictures of this model. So I like this one. I have a couple of KK Scale models in my collection and they always seemed okay. I usually rate diecast mostly on value, and this one looks like an okay value to me, to say the least. It's resin, yes, but it's one of those that kinda look and feel authentic enough, especially because there aren't tons of them on the market. So I'm happy with this purchase. And that's that.